Good morning. Another beautiful day in the countryside. You can see the leaves are slowly turning, which means fall is here for us, basically. Yes, so we're going to take a garden down, and so we'll take you along on that journey with us and see how much we got with, you know, how much yield we have with everything. Yield, I mean, how much harvest we have. So, yes, let's go.
We're going to cut all of our squash, and yeah, we're gonna cut it. Oh!
Number one. And it's Riley's turn. Because siblings need to take turns.
Yeah, it's very, very important.
Okay, we didn't count yet. There's two more inside. Let's count them, Jacob.
That's 2 for him. 2 for him. Yeah, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 18,
16.
16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30.
And two more inside. 32, yeah. Crazy, wow, that's such a blessing. Some might have to go to the chickens. Yeah, some will have to probably go to the chickens because there's some blemishes on them and some the puppy scratched up.
Well, we don't have chickens.
But our friends have chickens, so they can have it. But yeah, pretty happy with this. Still have to do the rest of the carrots, potatoes, all the corn, and then we're done. Yep. Hey, where are your suckies? Demon took off his socks. Hey. Toque weather, by the way. Got potatoes.
So we have to dig out some potatoes, and we already got some already dead. Give them a handful.
From one row, not too much, but so thankful for some potatoes. I think we still have like 2 rows to take out, but we'll do that hopefully tomorrow. Okay, we have 2.5 rows of potatoes left to dig. It's a pretty windy day, but we'll try our hardest to getting that done because they need to cure, right? Oh, nice. So yeah, woo, let's get to it.
Wait, I think did I crack one? Oh, I cracked.
You what?
Look at this, guys. I cracked it too.
You cracked. Okay, you poked 2 of them. Our potato harvest. A bit more in the garage. Just gonna bring it all in there. Honestly, yeah, I don't know. It's a little disappointing. I don't know if it's probably the location. Last year we had it over there where the main garden is, so it was a way better harvest, but oh yeah, you live and learn, right? I think we won't have enough for this winter, But I know my mom, she said already, she's like, well, I have enough for all of us. So, yeah, that's what it is. But still thankful that we got some. I think it's been about a month since we recorded the digging out of potatoes and stuff. And yeah, finally I'm getting around to editing it. And so I just wanted to show, as a wrap up kind of, here's Riley, how I'm storing the potatoes. They're just, and my squash, and then my carrots, and actually the onions too. Remember I cured them, and we went through those pretty quick too. They were so tiny. But yeah, so here is potatoes, just on boxes on the ground, on the shelf there. And then my squash, I gave quite a bit away, because I knew we would probably not eat all of them. And then here are the onions, just in the crate. And here is just opening. Here are the carrots, quite a few bags. First time for me storing them in the fridge. Yeah, because last year I just stored them at my mom's because she just has the more optimal storage space for keeping vegetables at the ideal temperature that I don't really have. And with these potatoes, we shall see how that goes. Last year we had them in the garage and it did not work out really well for us. But anyway, just thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.